Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your phone suddenly starts showing the SIM 1 not provision message on T-Mobile and calls, text or mobile data stop working, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when everything seemed normal before. Sometimes the error appears right after switching phones or activating service, while other times it shows up unexpectedly without much explanation. A problem like this can happen because of activation delays, SIM placement, network refresh issues, or account details that still need updating. Before assuming something major is wrong with your phone or SIM card, there are few simple things worth checking because many connection issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix the SIM 1 not provisioned message on T-Mobile. Try these. Step 1. Restart the phone connected to the T-Mobile SIM card if the provisioning message appeared unexpectedly. Step 2. Remove and reinsert the T-Mobile SIM card carefully to confirm it sits correctly inside the phone. Step 3. Check signal status linked to the T-Mobile network and wait briefly if activation still seems delayed. Step 4. Turn airplane mode on and off on the phone using the T-Mobile SIM card to refresh network communication. Step 5. Contact support connected to the T-Mobile account if the provisioning message continues appearing for too long. Step 6. Test calls or mobile data through the T-Mobile SIM card and confirm service begins working normally.